자, 좋은 아침입니다. 알마 선녀 나만. 알마 선생 지금 복습하도록 하겠습니다. So let's review or let's have our exercises for our EPS topic 2025 upcoming exam. So guys, let's do again. Yesterday I did a five fill in the blank question. So now let's continue number 206. 206번 문제입니다. So what should be the correct, the most correct word or vocabulary that can fill in the blank? So let's read. 친구가 오늘 10시 비행기로 한국에 오기 때문에 빈칸에 마중 가요. Okay? 마중 가요. So here guys, kada, majung gada meaning iyaha daw ko nung i-fetch iyahang sundoon sa blank because gi temone uda mukam iyahang friend 친구 gikan sa Korea by airplane today at 10 o'clock. So here, what should be? Asa man niya sundoon iyahang friend. Asa niya isundo? Majung gada. Ilbon, Hanggu. Hanggu is port or pier. Konghang. Konghang is airport. Cheongyujang. Cheongyujang. So this is bus station. And Sabon is Kichayok. Kichayok is train station. So Kichayok, guys, is the upper part of stations a train. But if we are going to speak the station of the train in the below sa soil, that is called 지하철역. So here, Kichayok is train station. So 친구가 오늘 10시 비행기로 한국에 오기 때문에 빈칸에 마중 가요. So 1번 항구, 2번 공항, 3번 정류장, 4번 기차역. 정답은 공항입니다. 그러면 공항은 the 공항 is airport. Of course, airport is related to 비행기, airplane. Alright, so the answer is number 2. 다음 문제, next question. 207번. Ka is the speaker and na is the one who will answer. 자, 읽어보도록 하겠습니다. Let's read. 이 blank 이름이 뭐예요? 뭐예요? What is this? 이름 is name. This is so blank. Then in tubag siya, subag이에요. subag이에요. Subak, guys, is watermelon. So watermelon입니다. So 이건 siya. It is watermelon. 주로 여름철에 많이 먹는데 아주 달아요. Okay, very sweet. Usually, 여름철. 여름, guys, yesterday I talked about the season. 계절, 여름 is summer. 절 is season. So summer season. Okay. 계절 and 철 here is the same vocabulary. 많이 먹는데. So why I pronounce this as 먹는데? Because ki followed by n, it will sound as ng. Ski na sound as ng. So it will sound as 먹는데 아주 달아요. So what is this subak again? This is watermelon. Watermelon is 과일. So it is a fruit. So, ang pangutana, 이 과일 이름이 뭐예요? So what's the name of this fruit? So ang iyang gitubag is, it is watermelon. So let's see the choices. So the answer here is 3번. Choices 1번, 고기. 고기, guys, is meat. Okay, carne. 2번 is 과자. This is cookies or biscuits. 3번 is 과일. This is fruit. And 4번 식당. 식당 is restaurant. Restaurant. All right. So there are many kinds of restaurant. There is Philippine 식당, 한국 식당, 중국 식당, 총식, something like that. All right. So let's just you have to know that there's always connection with the blank din his iyang one. If you have a lot of vocabulary, you can answer right away. 208번. So sa mga nag-start pa lang yun. So you kind of follow this. 시장에 가서 무엇을 샀어요? 시장에 here is the particle that can be added to the place, time, and situation. 가서 가다 무엇을 샀어요? 무엇? 사다 is buy past tense bought. So what you bought when you go to the market, 시장. Tapos ning responsiya, 아무것도 사지 않고 blank만 했어요. I did only man here guys is the vocabulary or the grammar of only blank. G angko wala nag-buy anything. Anything. 아무것도 사지 않고 blank만 했어요. 1번 물건 things or object. 2번 등산 is a mountain climbing or walking on the mountain. 3번 회의 is meeting or conference. 4번 is 구경. Kugyong is something, yeah, sightseeing. It is similar with Buddha, but Buddha is literally to see, to look, to watch. But Kugyong, guys, is there something you act on it without look out here, look out there, or we can relate that as sightseeing. 구경만 했어요. So here is the answer is number 4. 정답은 4번입니다. 구경, 구경하다, to look something or to have sightseeing. 구경하다. 자, 209번 문제입니다. Number 209. 어디에서 살아요? 어디에서 살아요? 살다. From the word 살다, to live. So, 어디 is where. So, where do you live? ning tubag siya. 직장, 직장 동료들과 함께 회사 블랑에서 살아요. So, I live in blank sa company together with 과 함께 동료 is coworker. 들 is the plural form of coworker. So it will become co-workers. 직장 is the working place. Alright? So together daw sila nag-live sa iyahang mga kaubanan sa trabaho sa company. So choices number 1. 선택한 건 1번 교실. 교실 is classroom. 2번 공원. 공원 is park. 3번 화장실. 화장실 is CR, comfort room or toilet. 4번 기숙사. 기숙사 guys is dormitory. So of course, where do you live? So dapat naka-live sila. Kung imuhan tanawon social classroom, Kongwon Park. 화장실 is CR. So lain po kag ari sila mo puyo, no? So adto yun sila puyo sa 기숙사, 살다. So you have to know that salda is related siya sa 기숙사, where they live. Alright? 자, 정답은 4번입니다. 210분 문제는 저는 올해 19살입니다. So I am 19 years old. Sal is years old. Ore is this year. So I am 20, 19 years old this year. Blank 20살이 됩니다. So okay, this year, ore, so 19 siya niya. 20 is 20, so it should be next year. So the next year vocabulary is 내년, 내년. Okay. Last year, 작년. 나이 is age in the formal. 어제 is yesterday. So 정답은 is 내년에 20살이 됩니다. Here guys, if you can see sumo ray nakalabutang diri sumo. Where is the L here? So mind you that Pulgyuchik rule, if the Pulgyuchik L, final consonant L followed by S or iyong, it will be cancelled or delete. So that's why wala na kayo makita diri nga letter L. It will become sumo instead of sumul. So please, please, please take note that this one, since you have the vocabulary ore or commune, same. Ore or commune. So the sound here is ore, not olhe, because it is final consonant L followed by H. ore 유라홉 살입니다. 내년에 20살이 됩니다. become, 되다. 뭐뭐 되다, become, to become 20 years old next year. 자, 이제 마치도록 하겠습니다. 내일도 복습하도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 되십시오.